My name's Phoebe. I'm here to get my mole removed. I'm quite a moley person, and they've never really bothered me, but this one has always, for some reason, I just want it gone. So I'm getting that gone today, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling excited, but obviously it's always a bit like nervous excitement. But yeah, I'm excited. Definitely this one.
Yes.
And then I think this one.
That one as well.
Although I don't hate that one, but it's more like, you know, it's on my face, I'm in the sun. I have one here.
Okay, let's have a look. Okay, yeah, we can take that one off, that's no problem.
Which, again, because it's on my shoulders, it's like, you know, right in that prime spot.
Yes.
I mean, I've got plenty.
Why do you want these removed?
I'd like to say it's just for health reasons. I know that obviously being in the sun, I'm putting more sun cream on that area, but also I'd like to get rid of them just for aesthetic reasons.
I'll show you this aftercare bag. So, I'm gonna put a dressing on afterwards called Duoderm Extra Thin. It's like a second skin, okay? It's a hydrocolloid dressing. Now, what that means is that when this goes on, it forms like a moist gel under it. And you'll notice that when you put it on, after a day or so, it'll look like it's like blistering, but that's just because the inside's turned into a bit of a gel, all right? Also, it reduces your risk of infection and also reduces your risk of scarring, okay? Your aftercare instructions, everything I've told you, is on this QR code. I'll also send it to you via email.
Fabulous.
Right, so give that a read. I'm also gonna give you a silicone-based gel. You're gonna put that on start using it in 2 weeks' time. You're gonna use it twice a day for a month, all right? That's gonna reduce your risk of scarring even more. Ready? 2 little sharp scratches, okay? Here's the first one, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Excellent.
Yeah, like this.
So you can see what we've done is we've just shaved it away down to the dermis there. And so you can see that different colour, there's the dermis.
Yeah.
All right, so that should heal pretty beautifully.
Because it bothered me as well that I could see it from front.
Yeah,
like
you won't be able to now.
Oh my god, that's so good.
And then I'm going to show you, this is what a dressing looks like. So it's like a second skin, so no one will really notice it. And you're just going to change that each evening after your shower.
Okay.
So for 7 days, have a shower each night, change it after your shower.
So good. I had no idea that you could take moles off this way. I thought it had to be surgical. The explanation at the beginning was really helpful in the video as well. So you're like, oh cool, that's what's gonna happen. It's been 24 hours since I got my moles removed and I just changed the dressing. It was like, I had my first day at a new job today and I completely forgot about it. It's been 10 days since I got my mole removed and that's what it's looking like for the minute. It's been 2 weeks since I got my mole removed and it looks like that now. Just a tiny little red mark